Hey guys, it's Andrew Panda here. Welcome back to another caps lock Minecraft video. Today, I'm going to be playing a game called I'm Such an Idiot. Today is another wonderful day inside my... it's not mine. That's why I'm burning it down. Oh god! Oh, it's flammable! It's very flammable. Oh. It's not your house, actually. Oh, wait, it is. Well, I'll go get some. I'll get some water. Where's the water? You didn't say it? Okay, I thought you. At least it's. I'll put the water out with some lava, shall I? Right. No. I just meant to. I did. No. Oh, well, I thought I was going to fall a lot farther than that. But anyway, I am burning down. Whoa. That's high. I'm not high anymore. It's fine. Anyway, I just got like really high or something. Anyway, yeah, I'm burning down this house. Because the parrot's evil spirit is haunting it, and I should probably put it out because it's gonna lag my game, and I'm gonna regret it. It's gonna lag my real life. Let that be the lesson to all who think that fire is fun. Because fire is mildly terrifying, and I'm gonna leave that word with it. Anyway. Today. Oh, what? Dripping. Anyway, I'm just going to, hang on. Water's not good for ledges. Water's not good for ledges! Water! So after falling for like 5 minutes, I finally managed to land. That wasn't your cue. Shut up! I'm supposed to be talking now, not you. You'll get your line later. After about 5 years of falling, I've managed to find a spot to sit. Not that word, I meant sit. And I found an energy crystal, and apparently I can hear the demented screams of a parrot coming from down there. So if I can just get out of here, I can swim up and not fall off this stupid pillar and make this jump. Okay. This has backfired a little bit. Back. Oh, whoop. What is the hole? It's supposed to be all the way over. I think that there's a parrot around here somewhere. Are you alive, sir? What am I? Where are you? Where are you?
The zombies, they're going to be back soon.
Hello.
The zombies went for a swim. They're going to eat me.
Okay, fair enough. I'm very sorry to hear that. What the? Okay, that didn't happen. Right, what do you want me to do anyway? How am I supposed to
destroy the spawners? Help me get out.
Okay. One down. If someone was recording this as a video, I'd call them an idiot because they forgot to turn me into survival mode. But that's okay. I can get up there by punching my way through the rocks. I've got to get through this stupid gravel. Oh! Okay, I've got one. I got one bush.
Where did you snipe that spawner all the way down there?
360 no scope, my guy.
Your head is so long. It's like
what is that?
It's like you could reach a dog mile away when it's just trying to say goodbye to you.
What is that?
And then it's like, how dare you hit me?
What is that?
That is a green energy crystal.
Oh, can I punch it?
No.
Oh, why?
Because you'll explode.
Oh. Oh, okay, I won't punch it. Well, what do I do now? The zombie's still.
Let me out! We must run! You forgot me! You idiot!
I didn't. Were you supposed to follow me? Clearly.
I can't follow.
What You're on my back. That's not even my back.
Right, that's the
Okay.
back.
We're gonna make it upstairs! Oh, I've been given the magical oh yeah. You flying makes you're so strong
Yes, I'm
that
very strong.
you can fly and I can get carried back up to oh, I hit my head. Watch it there, buddy. And I think you're bringing me a little bit too high, sir. No. Oh, you're bringing me to a treehouse. Yeah. I didn't mean to.
My wings.
To be
it's very sore from flying.
To be fair, sir, I thought that you were dead, so I didn't think you'd mind very hard.
Did you not see my burning corpse?
Oh,
my treehouse.
Mind the gap. What? You vanished into the. Oh.
I'm going to show that you get me off.
Yes, I can.
Oh,
Sit
still.
Right. What? What is it? What?
No! Your best friend, Jerry!
I didn't know that it was your best friend, Jerry. God forbid. God forbid, sir.
I will take you to the skies and drop you.
No! No! I'm not controlling this at all, guys.
I'm going to drop you! Drop you from the skies! Unless you do things for me.
I'd like to do things for yourself.
I will drop you in this lava right now. Oh. So first, I want you to make me a pirate boat.
Why?
Yes, build me a big pirate boat.
Okay. The forest is on fire! No! It would not. Everything's. Oh, was that your sister?
I don't know, but I don't want to say that's me because
I'm pretty sure it was you, but you know. Okay, so.
My sister.
Oh, you're saying that wasn't you, that the creator of this video didn't have to go and spawn in a new parrot and put you on the floor.
What are you talking about? That was my sister.
I got the green parrot 2 times in one go, by the way. Anyway.
What are you talking about, bro?
Go away. No!
Oh, don't worry. Creepers are my best friends. He won't hurt you. Right.
Okay. And I'm also in creative mode. That might help a bit.
Right.
Anyway, how am I supposed to build a pirate ship if I'm not in the creative mode? Anyway,
don't worry. I will get you the supplies.
What am I doing, sir?
You're building big pirate boat.
Why?
Because I'm a pirate. Why would I not like a pirate boat?
Oh.
Right. I will give you the supplies for this pirate boat. Right.
Right. Well, what am I building it out of, sir? I'm in the catalogue already.
Right. The items will be dropped off to you. I would like you to use birch wood, please. Right. Right.
Is that it?
Yes.
That's all the materials that you would like.
That is the base of the boat. I will tell you the exterior.
Oh dear.
Right. So,
we clearly are learning from an expert here, I see.
Right. Yes. It's very much highly expert at making pirate boats. Right.
I think you may have killed your voice, sir.
Right.
Yeah. I think you did.
Right. It was my best friend. How dare you?
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm building your pirate boat as we speak. This could be interpreted as some kind of tutorial, but
right.
I am.
Yes, for
I haven't planned.
hypothetical YouTube channel.
Because because I'm an idiot, I haven't planned ahead.
Right.
Idiots do not very usually plan ahead.
Right.
Is
It
this-
could be for a quote unquote YouTube channel. A
Is
tutorial.
the base of this boat good so far, sir?
Yes, right.
What the hell?
Looks like a slab. Oh my god.
The lava's purple, bro. I mean, sir. Mr. Parrot, sir. Alright, Spain. Do you like what you... Does it need to be bigger?
It is
It's what?
right. Listen to me.
Whoa, it looks massive now. The shade is just so good.
Right, yes, because that's how the real life voice.
Have you actually killed your voice? Ah!
Right, no, I'm just talking to the voice right now. Okay, we're back to normal
Okay, sir.
voice.
Okay, sir.
Right,
One day, I'm sure both the creators of this video will look upon this and try not to die.
right, yes.
Try not to die of cringe challenge.
Right, yes. Maybe they'll upload a video. Right.
It probably will. The day I made a dumb YouTube video on both of our channels.
Right,
It's not the worst one I've made, I'm sure.
right, yes.
I promise. Hey, shut up! You can't be the judge of that. Only.
Yes, we can be at a different time of
Right, is that good enough, sir?
where's the big pole with flag on it? Right, that's a big pole. I love these big poles, even though it looks like that should fall over right now. Right, Minecraft logic.
Bang. Line of freaking gosh. So nom nom. Boys. What the hell? Boys.
Right, that's good enough.
Would you like your sails?
Yes, thank you.
It won't catch much wind, but is that good enough, sir?
Right, yes.
Okay. What do I do now, sir?
Right, thank you for me. Bring me to my boat, please. I'm not very good at water.
I like doing everything for this.
Yes, very much. I love this boat.
Okay, good job, sir. Maybe lean a little closer to the microphone, sir, so you're not... So the very...
Anyways, can you get rid of that lava? It burnt one of my trees.
No, I like the lava.
Oh, fine.
What if I walled up?
Just pour the wall around it so it
Okay.
doesn't burn anything
I'm
more.
gonna put a wall around it. What color glass would you like me to put the wall? Not clear, or white, or grey, or black. Something exciting.
What about, well, let's do, purple.
A fine choice, good.
Yes. I make fine
I'm not
choices.
using glass panes because glass panes equals pain. That's why they call glass panes. That looks like writing. Oh my god, it doesn't anymore. But used to.
I love it. Use all the time. Writing. It's very
I know it. It looks a lot like writing. Blah 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 blah.
It's like you can't speak English right now.
I know.
His English is
I apologize very much, sir.
Right. His English is Englishing.
I know. Film, 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 film. Ah, caught on fire a bit there. Yeah, dude, that song got copyrighted. What? What? Why is it, sir?
I like just go there.
You like the color purple, sir?
Yes.
Ah, fine choice, good sir. You did happen to pick my favorite color. Yes. Anyway, back to the job.
Do you know these?
These what, good sir?
These nuts.
Ah, yes, very funny, good sir. I'm sure I'd like to go and hit you right now.
Right. So,
I mean, to be fair, I did kind of stop it, but you know.
right.
Do you like the wall so far, sir?
Right. Thank you.
That was a very creepy, thank you. Hi, is there a flame? Oh, sorry. So, if we could all just calm down, I'm sure we could.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Rat. British parrot.
Hello. What's up, kid? And
Rat. Rat. I'm a British.
anyway, I'm going to. Oh, there's so much more. You know what? Stuff this. I used the wrong voice. I do believe I'm going to say stuff this. Boy. Ah! Okay, I'm fine.
Yes, I gave you the love. I gave you love.
That was a super jump. I missed. You gave me lava immunity. What with for it?
Rat, my special power.
And you gave me the power of flight for a few seconds.
My special British parrot.
There we go.
Pirate parrot.
It took me about 10 minutes to get just that, and now I have to watch it all go down in flames, if you will.
Go down in history, Rat.
Lean closer to the microphone, sir. No, not that close to the
Rat, sorry.
Anyway, what do you require of me now, sir?
Rat. Well, Rat, I've actually lost my friend, Rat. And, you're probably gonna make it after. The creator's probably gonna have to make a part 2, Rat. So,
No,
right now, Rat.
No!